Hi, welcome to Dinner with Alina. Today we're making the Russian salad, or as we call it in Russia, Olivier. Let me show you how. First, let's boil our ingredients. One of them is chicken. I have chicken thigh fillet here. It's softer and tastier than chicken breast and not as dry. Alternatively, you can use boiled beef or bologna sausage of any meat. Originally, meat used in this salad was game, for example hazel hen, but it was substituted by Soviet home cooks with more available and cheap products. We also need to boil one mid-sized potato or two small ones and a carrot. And we also need one hard-boiled egg. All of these ingredients have to be prepared in advance, cooled to room temperature and peeled. And here we can see all the ingredients needed for the salad. Meat, potato, carrot, pickled cucumber, raw onion, egg and an optional green apple. And now we only need to cut and mix them. As I mentioned, chicken meat can be replaced with other meat or bologna, which is actually a classical Soviet version. And I'd say that all other ingredients except for potato and egg aren't really regular members of this salad assembly. But for me, this set of ingredients makes the tastiest version. So I'm going to cut the carrot now, but in general, carrot, for example, is optional. On the other hand, it gives a bit of tenderness and sweetness. Onion is also optional, although the salad is much better with it, as it adds a bit of sharpness and crispiness. As for the pickled cucumber, I've tried salad with fresh one. It was not bad at all, but I prefer the pickled one because I think it's more intense and juicy. Green Granny Smith apple is also a nice addition. You can put to the salad to add a bit of fresh sour note. The classical Soviet version doesn't have it, but a lot of people add it. And instead of apple, you can add canned peas, which are in the classical Soviet version. Or you can put both. Okay, I'll finish cutting the rest later because I can't really wait to try my salad and I want to show it to you. You might need to salt it a bit before serving to your taste. I'm gonna serve it in a nice salad bowl and dress it with mayo. As you may have noticed, we love our New Year with mayo. But you can mix it with plain yogurt or sour cream to make it lighter. The Russian salad is ready. As the dish I made last time, Olivier salad is a staple of Russian New Year and celebratory cuisine. It was invented in the 19th century in Moscow by a cook of French origins and had much fancier ingredients such as capers, olives and roasted game meat. But with time, Soviet home cooks adapted this salad to their life conditions, making it an unmissable part of Russian New Year dinner experience. And now you can make it and try it too. And as usual, please don't forget to give me a like, leave me a comment below and subscribe to stay tuned for more. From Russia with Food, Alina.